Who should be responsible for maintaining gardens, hedges, especially the beautifully manicured gardens? That's a main feature of the property. What about things like swimming pool, spa pool? These things cost a lot of money to maintain. Now, this is something that you can simply put in the contract, in the tenancy agreement, as long as both parties agrees. Either the tenants are responsible for the maintenance of these items, or the owners are responsible, i.e. the cost of which are included in the rent. As a property management company that has managed a lot of properties in Auckland and have seen a lot of disputes that has happened around this subject in the past, our strong recommendation is that you include the cost of these items into your weekly rent that you are charging the tenant. It's not like the tenants are not willing to do that. Sometimes they didn't live in this property, or maybe they didn't live in this area. They didn't know a lot of good contractors they can rely on to do regular maintenance. And if certain things are not maintained properly and regularly, such as the gardens, especially the well-designed, beautifully manicured gardens, if they are not maintained properly, after a while, it would cost the landlord a lot more money to bring it back to how it was. And there is no certainty that you can actually hold the tenants financially responsible for the cost of restoring the garden to its former state. Okay, so our strong recommendation is whatever maintenance contractor that you have in place, pool is the same thing. Just continue paying for those contractors to service these maintenance items on a regular basis. So the landlord will be paying for those, and these gardens and hedges, swimming pool and spa pool are still properly and professionally maintained to a high standard, but you just build the cost into your weekly rent. That way you have no dispute at the end of the tenancy, and tenants are enjoying a well-maintained property, paying for all its features that's available to them, and the landlord can relax knowing that everything is taken care of rather than at the mercy or convenience of the tenants. So there you go, that's our strong recommendation. Monica Chen from Uno Property Management. Please follow me for more tips and tricks on property management in Auckland. Thank you.